Fáilte, arais, chairde. I've used some Gaelic letter in there. I'm trying to learn that myself when I'm in quarantine. That's my own little challenge, but I'll post a picture of the alphabet so you can have a look yourself. Seo An Ghaeilge Lá. Number 4, An Ghaeilge Lá online. And today's lesson is going to be a bit of a going back over. But first we're going to do our routine. So if you want to pause here and complete your routine for the day. I'm not going to do the answers with you because I feel like you should be able to do them by now. But if you're not sure, you can pause, have a look up the days of the week, the months of the year, some weather to help you. And don't forget to ask me some questions. But pause here to complete that. And we're going to now look at our seanachal from last week, from lesson number 3. That was Aithníon Chuig Ella. So a couple of people got it and you messaged me, well done. It's a beetle recognises another beetle. Another way of saying it takes one to know one. So as I said, today's going to be a bit of a Gaeilge, going back over things, and we're going to look at the prepositional pronouns, na for aimimnacha raibh that we've already done. And I'm going to give you a paragraph, okay? And the paragraph is going to use examples of this. And what I want you to do is to translate it, okay? So it goes like this. Tá ahas orm. Inniu, vi crinniu agam Zoom. And crinniu means meeting. Chur and boss, curru, hugging. And curru is an invitation. Curru. Linda and Tanya mata arhi. Ta she Caoimhe Lynn. And Caoimhe is kind. Ta mas ogin di. Mas is respect. Hug me ma chilan Callie lum. And chilan is a puppy. So take a break here once you've translated that. And you can send me what you have and I can have a look at it. Okay, now we're going to move on to our Leo Hishkinch and I'm going to read through the text, okay? This is Ceacht over a She and you can listen in. An Ghaeilge Lá. An Ghaeilge Lá. Tá píosa bug. Níl mé ach ag fólam. Cá bhfuil tú ag fólam? Ag rang ihe. Caoimhe. In ollscoil olú in mel firste. Cé atá dod a cheagasc? Ó aber sin arís le de hol. Níor hig mé hu. Cé hé dul wúnseoir. Colm ó néal. Tá Gaeilge waith agat. Gur mai agat. Níl móran agam anis ach ba bhailm a bheith lífa. Connie gol. Bei Gaeilge bhrá agat amach an seo. Tá blas mai agat. An bhfuil Gaeilge agat sa? Tá neart Gaeilge agam. Tógu le Gaeilge me. Is cainteoir dúchas me. Pause here to go through the questions that are coming up in a few seconds, or if you struggled to translate that, stick around and we're going to go through the phrasí era or the new phrases that we came across. So the first one was níl mé ach. Níl mé ach. I'm not but, or another way of saying I'm only. So an example of that would be níl mé ach ag magu. I'm only joking. Ollscoil, that's a university. So where's ollscoil olú? Dod a cheagasc, for your teaching. For your teaching. Dod a cheagasc. Aber sin. Aber sin is say that. Say that. Aber to say. And an example of that would be aber sin leis. Now that means tell him that, but if we directly translate it, it's say that with him. Leis, with him. We looked at that before. Cé hé is who is he. A bheith, to be. Think of be, it's like connie is to keep. Connie do láha glán. Keep your hands clean. Caoimhe lá glán. Then amach an seo. So that would mean from here or from here on or in the future. Bé muid ag fólam na Gaeilge líne amach an seo. Bé muid we will be ag fólam learning na Gaeilge líne online amach an seo. We'll be learning Irish online in the future. Blas is an accent, but it also means a taste. So blas Maith, a good taste. And a cainteoir is a speaker. So an example of cainteoir being used is cainteoir muinne nach me. Muinne nach means confident. I am a confident speaker. It's cainteoir muinne nach me. And duchas is origin. So what's a cainteoir duchas? So you can stop here now with those phrases to complete the questions. If you've already done that, you can keep watching for An Ghaeilge Lá. And the An Ghaeilge Lá from this week's lesson is anu si gan locht. So try and work it out for yourself. If anu means seldom, si is genius, and locht is fault. And here is some oberwalje, your optional homework. You don't have to complete it, only if you want something to work out between now and next week. What I would like you to do is to read back over the previous comprehension text. So number 3, 4, 5 and 6 from today. Translate as you go, but try not to use your notes, okay? So try not to look back on the notes that you've taken or stuff that you've already done. Just try and read it, take your time and ask me any questions whatsoever. Use the group chat, use the comments on YouTube. Here's lesson 3, lesson 4, lesson 5 and lesson 6. Trí, ceathair, Chuig agus sé. Okay? So have a read through them. Here's this week's game. Our Caoimhe. So as usual, I want you to go to chairde and Rowney Ollie. Pick Ulster, Rowney Ollie. Click on Nine Vugge. And then I want you to click the Caoimhe Matchula, where you have to drag the correct word to the picture. And I want you to keep playing until you get them all right. Okay, that's us for another week. My sibh. If you're looking for any tips to keep it up during the week, so do your routine. I want you to play your games and I want you to read as much Irish as you can. And if you can, listen to Radio Fáilte, Radio na Gaeilge, and as much stuff on YouTube as you can. Type in Gaeilge. This was my office today, Maith, when I was preparing this, so I thought I'd give you a wee nosy into my front garden. Ignore the weeds, they're there for the bees, that's my excuse. Slán go fóill, bye for now, from myself and Callie. Slán!